to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Haitian spaghetti with smoked herring, also known as spaghetti avec ARANSÓ. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. I'm going to cook half box of the spaghetti, sausage, 3 tablespoons of smoked herring, 1 tablespoon complete seasoning, 1 package chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, onion, and sweet pepper.
First, in a pan, I put 8 cups of water to cook the spaghetti. In this pan, I put 3 tablespoons olive oil. While the spaghetti is cooking, I'm going to make the sauce. After that, I'm adding onion, sausage, herring, and let it saute for 1 to 4 minutes. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon olive oil because it's not enough. I also add garlic, pepper, tomato paste in a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. The reason I'm adding the water, I don't want the ingredient to stick to the bottom of the pan. I put 1 teaspoon of the Goya packet because I don't want to be too salty. After I drain the spaghetti, I put it in the pan, mix it very well, and let's simmer for 10 to 15 minutes in low heat. The food is really delicious, simple, not complicated, ready to eat. Bon appétit!
Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye!